This is the new head,
Brand new, stripped down head,
bare head.
bare head.
Nothing on it.
So as you can see, right now it's just pretty much a block of metal.
No.
We're missing the valves, the valve springs. We're missing the, we have the injectors on the old one, but we're also missing the injectors. If you notice right here, there's that gear. We're missing the gear that runs the timing.
Yeah.
And then
the whole gear, and even the
it's missing the that freeze plug,
or cap.
that metal cap.
Okay, and nothing's in the bottom of the box.
Nothing's in the bottom of the box.
Okay, and the bottom of the other box is just a cardboard.
That's just a cardboard pallet.
Support pallet. Yeah. Okay. And these are all the boxes. So we would have expected this cylinder head to have come intact with everything, just to install it actually onto the vehicle. Correct?
Well, that's what you would think.
Yeah. When they say cylinder head assembly, that's what our presumption is.
It could be a possibility that the valves on the other head have to go, both heads have to go to machine shop. Now there's a possibility that the valves have to be ground down to fit this head.
Yeah.
And then we have to have the valves compressed onto this head. We're gonna need the injectors compressed onto the head.
And we also had recommended that we get 4 new glow plugs.
4 new glow plugs. And then we have to get that that gear on the back, and then we have to press in a cap.
Yeah.
So